Hey everybody, it's Denise back with Keto with Denise, and today I want to answer a common question that a lot of people bring my way, and it's, can the ketogenic diet really improve my health, right? So I'm going to answer it not with one answer, but several. So let's look at the top 5 reasons, what we call ways the ketogenic diet can improve your health, okay? So let's come out of the gate with number 1. It's going to burn fat, the dietary fat that you take in and the stored fat, because on the ketogenic diet it's focused on what? High fat, moderate proteins, and low carbs. So when you start to burn that fat, as a result, you start to get more energy because your body is moving from burning sugar for fuel to burning fat for fuel. And burning fat is a far superior fuel source than sugar, because remember, when you eat sugar, you have that sugar high and then you crash. Whereas when you're taking in fat, you've got energy stores that are coming, and even improved cognitive functions, your memory, your mood, all of these things begin to improve. So if you're one that, can't explain why you're a little irritable and grouchy and all of that, let's take a look at that sugar intake and let's consider the ketogenic diet so we can start using that fat for fuel. The second reason, and a lot of people love this is why they're on it, really. They say to have major weight loss and experience major weight loss. I mean, you're looking at someone right now who's lost almost 100 pounds, right? 90 plus pounds on my way, because this is my lifestyle. So I know my body still has weight to rid itself of, still want to make sure I'm at my healthiest. So major weight loss and the quickest time. So I don't look at it as, okay, I've got to lose this weight, I've got to lose this weight by a certain time. You don't do that. You just flow with this program. You flow with the ketogenic diet, because what's happening is your body is burning fat rapidly. You're losing a lot of weight in a healthy way, because where can you go and eat 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day, plus a little protein and very low carbs, and still be in a healthy state? Only on the ketogenic diet. Most diets don't promote that. And that's why, and this is important. And by the way, I want to include this. The word diet just simply means a way of eating. So this is not a fad. This is not a short-term thing. This is a lifestyle that you want to really get into, because remember, the whole reason that we're doing the ketogenic diet is for health and to address insulin resistance. This is why we want better health, because of all the conditions that exist result from insulin resistance, okay? So major weight loss is important, and from there you get body transformation is, oh my gosh, it's super, super transforming. I know that when I look at my before and after pictures, I'm amazed. Honestly, I'm amazed. And what else comes with it? Improved body image and confidence. Confidence not just in how you're looking, but confidence in how you're thinking. Because when you can transform your health, you understand that you can really do anything you set your mind to. So it's a great confidence booster too. Manages and reduces cravings and hunger. High sugar diet makes you stay hungry, and it makes you crave sugar more and more and more. So here we get better control over food. You're not going to be craving sugar. You're not going to be hungry. So in essence, the impact that food once had on you, it's not going to be the same. Okay? Number 4, it improves insulin resistance. I just talked about this demon over here. This stuff is really major in terms of the havoc it's wreaking on the inside of our bodies that we don't even see, and most people don't even know. Remember that insulin resistance, one visible way to know that there's something going on is to look at your belly. If it's a protruding belly, then most likely you have insulin resistance. So we want to address that through the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. Remember, those two go together. So it improves insulin resistance because it's decreasing belly fat and improving your overall health, the feeling of good health, because there's so many things that insulin resistance or high insulin in the body is going to cause. I personally came off of high blood pressure medicine. I take my blood pressure 1 to 2 times a day, and every time that I take it, it's really good. And I can say my numbers 116 over 68, 116 over 78. It just varies, but are good numbers. And as a result, I'm not taking blood pressure medicine that I took for 16 years. I took 1 pill a day. 16 years, that's a lot. So it was time for me to take control of my health and address insulin resistance and the blood pressure that it created. And number 5, it improves the quality of sleep. I laugh about this one because I say that I've never snored a day in my life. But if you ask a family member or whatever, they may tell you different. But the quality of sleep now is really different because I don't snore. And I had to ask those same people before that said I did, and they say I don't anymore. So that's a good thing. And then restful sleep. I'm grateful that I've never had a sleep problem in terms of having deep sleep, restful sleep. But now I wake up super energized, ready to take on my day, not dragging through the day. And of course, you want to get more sleep. It's like when it's time to go to sleep, let's shut it down. So your quality of sleep improves. I've even had some of my clients say they had sleep apnea, was on a CPAP machine, and now they don't need that device, nor do they have sleep apnea. So I will tell you that there's a whole lot behind the ketogenic diet. These are just 5 reasons. There's a ton more that this diet can help you improve your health, because at the end of the day, everybody, it is about better health. All the other things are bonuses that come with the ketogenic diet, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Hi, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And by the way, click the bell too, so that you'll be notified when there's new content like this. Thank you again for watching.